Good morning, students. Very glad to meet you all again through online class. I hope you are all doing good. By God's grace. Students, take care of your health and stay safe at home. Now, let's start a new chapter, number 7. Humility is wisdom. Okay, students, listen carefully. Let's see the summary of the story first. Humility is wisdom. Humility means quality of being humble. Humility means quality of being humble. Wisdom means quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment. Wisdom means quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment. Okay, students, humanity, another word is humanity. Humanity means restoring faith. Humanity means restoring faith. The word humility comes from humus. The word humility comes from humus, the rich soil that sustains all life and growth. Humility is a quality that helps us to look beyond ourselves. Humility reminds us that every person deserves our respect and that we can all learn from one another. Humility opens our mind to new ideas and knowledge. Humility helps us to form lasting friendships and to live in harmony with others. Harmony means being friendly. Harmony means being friendly. The opposite of humility is vanity. The opposite of humility means vanity. Vanity means excessive pride. Excessive pride. Arrogance and feeling that we are superior to others. Arrogance means behaving unpleasant way. Behaving unpleasant way. Vanity makes us blind to our own fault. Arrogance loses as friends. It is wrong to think that being humble means being weak and ignorant. In fact, humility gives us great strength and wisdom. Humility gives us great strength and wisdom. Summary of the story. Humility was his strength. Butsugi, a master of the traditional marital arts. Traditional marital arts means offensive art like karate. Offensive art like karate. Lived in Japan. He was so strong and had a power of punching a hole in almost anything. He was known as the monk. Monk means saint. Saint is a man who is the member of religious order and do not get married. With a powerful punch. One night, Batsugis was working along a quiet street, Kyoto. All of a sudden, some rowdy man surrounded him and asked him what was he doing there. Batsugi answered with humbleness that he was coming down from the mountains. But the man did not allow him. Gundus Samu, the leader of the group, told him that if he had any sense of honor, if that he would fight to defend his name. But the Batsugi told him that he was just a monk and he did not want to fight. Gudosimo ignored Batsugi's protest. Protest meant okay. Protest. Godosimo told the monk to use any of the weapon he had, but the monk refused to use the weapon. Instead, he took out two wooden bowls from his pouch. Gondusimu, Gondusumu smiled and thought he would defeat the monk easily. Gudusimu brought his stick down with a force, but the monk skillfully captured his skills. Now the stick trapped between the bowl. All of the sudden, the monk released the stick in shouting, "Oh!" Gudusimu fell down and lost his grip on the stick. Now the stick flew through the air and fell somewhere behind him. Godusimu looked at Batsugi with respect and told him that skills were very great and better than him, and asked what was his name. The monk replied that he was wandering monk. His name was Batsugi. On the surprise, Izamu explained that you were the famous monk with a powerful punch. Batsugi is not only famous for his strength and skill but for the wisdom and humility. He rejected all of the lavish offerings and lived in a simple life in a small temple in woods, giving his wise advice generously to everyone. Okay, students, now take your book, page number 45. I will read and explain the summary. Okay, first, humility was his strength. Long ago in Japan, there lived a master of the traditional martial arts. Traditional martial arts means offensive art like karate. Offensive art like karate or fighting sports such as karate, everything. His name was Batsugi. He was so strong that he would punch a hole in almost anything and was known as the monk. Monk means saint. Monk means saint. Saint means a man who is the member of religious order and do not get married. But he never used his power to hunt anyone. He had no, but he never used his power to hurt anyone. One night, Batsugi was walking along a quiet street in Goyato. Suddenly, a group of rowdy men came and confronted him, came face to face. What are you doing here? Batsugi humbly folded his hands and said, I am a monk who has just come down from the mountains. Please let me go. The men would not listen to him and kept bullying him. Bullying means use strength to hunt or fight a weaker person. Bullying means use strength to hurt or fight a weaker person. If you have any sense of honor, you will fight to defend your name. Honor means great respect. Honor, great respect. Defend means protect your name. Said the leader of the group. Gundu Izamu, I am just a monk. Do not want to fight. Bleeded Butsugi. Bleeded means beg someone to do something. Bleeded means beg someone to do something. Gondu Isamu ignored. Batsugi's protest. Ignore means take no notice. Take no notice. Protest means action showing you disapprove. Action showing you disapprove. Take a bamboo sword, a wooden spear, whatever you wish your weapon. The monk refused the offer of a weapon. Instead, he took out two wooden bowls. Bowls means container. From his pouch. Pouch, do you know the pouch? Small bag. Hondu smiled, thinking that he would defeat the monk easily now. Defeat means win a victory. Hundu smiled, thinking that he would defeat the monk easily now. Hundu brought his stick down with gracing force, but Batsugi skillfully captured Gundu's stick between the bowls. Crashing means a noise of making something, skillfully, showing great skill obtained by force. Gundu Isamu pulled with all his might, but the stick was firmly trapped. Trapped means caught, firmly means not giving way. Then Batsugi suddenly released the stick, shouting, "Ha!" Gundu Isamu fell backwards and lost his grip on the stick. Grip means hold on the stick. It flowed through the air and fell somewhere behind him. Gundu Isamu looked at Batsugi with respect. Your skills are very great and better than mine. What is your name? I am a wandering monk. Wandering monk means go about without trying to reach a particular place. My name is Batsugi. Oh, so you are the famous monk with a powerful punch, exclaimed Hundu Izamu is awake. Batsugi was famous not only for his strength and skills but for his wisdom and humility. Many noblemen offered him the best mansions to live in. Nobleman means a person of high social rank. Offered, present something. Him the best mansion. Mansions means very large house to live in. He rejected all of them and lived a simple life in a simple temple in the woods, giving his wise advice generously to everyone who asked. Understood, students? Now, let's see some meanings of this lesson. Okay, first one is humility. Humility is a quality of being humble. Wisdom. Wisdom means quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment. Wisdom means quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment. Humanity means restoring faith. Humanity means restoring faith. Next, harmony. Underline the word harmony. Harmony being friendly, not quarrel, unpleasant way. No, being friendly, not quarrel, unpleasant way. Next one, vanity. The underline the word vanity. Excessive pride. Excessive pride, arrogance, behaving unpleasant way. Behaving unpleasant way. Okay, arrogant means behaving unpleasant way. Harmony means being friendly, not quarrel. Being friendly, not quarrel. Next, vanity, excessive pride. Okay, next one, the story. Traditional marital arts. Second line, traditional marital arts. Offensive art like karate. Offensive art like karate. Next one, punch. Same para punch. Hit someone with a gift first. Hit someone with a first. Next one, controlled. Confronted. Come face to face. Come face to face. Next one, monk. Monk means men who live according to the rules of religious order. Religious order. Then bullying. Bullying means use strength to hunt or fight a weaker person. Use strength to hurt or fight a weaker person. Next page, honor, great respect. Honor means great respect. Defend, protect. Pleaded, beg someone to do something. Pleaded, beg someone to do something. Ignored, take no notice. Pretext, action showing you disapprove. Next one, bowls. Bowls is a, do you know the bowls? Container. Pouch, small bag. Pouch, small bag. Defeat, win a victory. Crashing, loud noise of making something. Crashing, loud noise of making something. Skillfully, showing great skill. Obtained by force. Next, firmly, not giving way. Firmly, not giving way. Trapped, trapped, caught. Offered, present something. Mansions, very large house. Mansions, very large house. Then rejected, refused to accept. Generously, share them. Generously, share them. Understood, students? These are the meaning of this lesson. Okay, students, that's all today's topic. Let's see remaining topics on next class. Go through the book on today's topic. If you have any doubt, contact me. Okay.